Since the dawn of the ocean, a strange and extraordinary intelligence has evolved in silence, hidden beneath the waves. As we descend into the darkness of the sea, we enter a world where intelligence takes a form completely different from our own. The octopus, soft-bodied and ever-changing, possesses abilities that have astonished scientists for generations. They can solve puzzles, unlock mechanisms, and overcome complex challenges in ways that defy expectation. Remarkably, they act not out of fear, but curiosity, a powerful sign of higher cognition. Mr. IF observes a classic escape, where an invertebrate mind surpasses our familiar understanding of intelligence. The story grows stranger when an octopus steals a diver's camera, as if eager to see how the world sees it. Their camouflage is not just instinct, it is a refined biological art form operating at the cellular level. Sometimes they transform into entirely different animals, a talent that confuses even their predators. The act of carrying coconut shells as a portable shelter forced science to reconsider what tool use really means. The truth lies not only in the action, but in the thought behind it. The octopus is planning for the future. Mr. IF examines the debate. Is this true tool use or an extraordinary survival instinct? Looking back through evolutionary history, we find that two lines of intelligence advanced independently, one in vertebrates and one in cephalopods. This makes octopus intelligence an evolutionary miracle of the ancient seas. Their nervous system is a living labyrinth, not one brain, but nearly 9. 2/3 of their neurons reside in their arms, allowing each limb to think on its own. This distributed intelligence operates like a network, making continuous real-time decisions. Mr. IF studies each neural signal as though witnessing a control system humans have never fully replicated. Their arms do more than touch. They taste, analyze, and interpret the world like living chemical sensors. The octopus eye resembles the human eye in uncanny ways, yet surpasses it. It has no blind spot.
They also perceive polarized light, something humans cannot do. Their skin senses light on its own, acting as a second visual system spread across the entire body. This is why their camouflage is so fast the human eye can barely detect the transition. And they don't just change color, they reshape their texture to become stone, coral, or seaweed. Mr. IF witnesses a flawless transformation, a masterpiece of evolutionary bioengineering. But their intelligence shines brightest when they play. They play out of curiosity, not survival. Their elaborate escapes reveal strategy, not mere instinct. They remember individual humans and how each person behaves. They learn by watching, a skill once thought exclusive to social animals. Mr. IF records these learning behaviors, where each motion feels like a living thought. In an ocean full of danger, intelligence becomes their most potent weapon. The complexity of their environment pushes their cognition to levels science never anticipated. Not social groups, but chaotic reefs and predators created this biological genius. A paradox. They are solitary, yet smarter than many social species. Mr. IF analyzes this independent evolution, showing intelligence does not require community. Each arm moves like a tiny explorer, acting autonomously yet harmonizing with the whole. Their chemical sensors outperform any artificial detector humans have created. Their skin's sensitivity to light functions like a biological camera network. Their color changes push the limits of biology, as fast as electrical signals. The giant deep-sea octopus drifts like a living legend in the abyss. Mr. IF observes this extreme environment where intelligence means survival. Their jet propulsion lets them move like tiny natural spacecraft. Their hunting behavior is strategy, disguise, and fluid motion all at once. Their decentralized thinking challenges every neurological model we know. When navigating mazes, they don't just guess, they plan with their arms. Mr. IF tracks every decision made by this multi-minded creature.
Among coral reefs, they interact with the world through endless curiosity. They perceive the world not through images, but through touch, taste, and polarized light. This raises the question, could extraterrestrial intelligence resemble them more than us? Mr. If models hypothetical life forms where intelligence arises from softness and distributed neural systems. The world of the octopus is its own universe, where solitude is not weakness, but perfect autonomy. Each arm is like an independent analyst, reacting with instinctual speed yet cognitive nuance. Together they create a unified intelligence without a single central command. Mr. If decodes how this network coordinates itself without a dominant brain. Evolution forced them to become smart, not through social structure, but through challenge. Sometimes they even build temporary shelters, using materials like architects of the deep. Millions of years formed two branches of intelligence, ours and that of these soft-bodied marvels. Mr. If rebuilds this timeline, from ancient oceans to the eight-armed genius of today. Their camouflage is not magic, it is a biological technology refined over ages. Their transformations are so fast, they become indistinguishable from their surroundings. They sense the world through a fusion of light, chemicals, and pressure, a sensory system unlike any other. Faced with challenges, they decode space like masters of perception. Mr. If explores how their mind navigates virtual environments, mirroring their unusual cognition. Intelligence is not a ladder, it is a forest of independent paths. If alien life exists, it may resemble them more than mammals. Mr. If evaluates this possibility, revealing a vision of minds unlike humanity's. Octopuses remember, learn, adapt, and create, all through a nervous system unlike any creature on Earth. A peaceful moment in a rocky den hints at a depth of awareness we are only beginning to understand. The ocean ecosystem moves like a symphony, with cephalopods as its mysterious musicians. Mr. If concludes that intelligence is not exclusive to vertebrates. It is shaped by environmental pressure. Perhaps intelligence across the universe appears in far more forms than we ever imagined. Every octopus species answers the question, what is intelligence, in a different way. When it touches the lens, we feel watched, evaluated by a mind not our own. Mr. If summarizes the journey, a journey into a mind unlike the human mind. And as the octopus disappears into the deep blue, it reminds us that intelligence has endless shapes yet to be discovered.